I've been stressing for a day or two now that, for most of New Jersey, our impending weekend winter storm is not going to be a snow bomb. I've been regularly calling it a snow-ice rainstorm. The latest forecast models continue to bear out that idea. We find ourselves even more on the warm side of the side. Less snow, more rain. But still plenty of nastiness to be found. Heavy snow in North Jersey, especially right at the storm's onset. Heavy rain throughout most of the state, with rumbles of thunder possible. Significant icing threat due to freezing rain, especially along the I-78 and I-80 corridors. Wind gusts to 50 miles per hour. Another icing threat from a flash freeze, as crashing temperatures cause puddles and wet surfaces to freeze. Bitter cold, with potentially dangerous wind chills well below zero. Freezing rain is one of the most challenging weather phenomena to predict. It takes a very specific set of circumstances, an intrusion of warm air about a half-mile to a mile above the surface, called a warm nose, and a shallow pool of sub-freezing air near the ground. Worst-case scenario? Several hours of freezing rain. A layer of ice would be very slippery and very heavy, potentially causing impassable roads and widespread power outages. Best-case scenario? A quick hit of snow for central and northern NJ, followed by a rapid transition to all rain. Snow totals would be no more than an inch or two for the vast majority of New Jersey. Still very cold, and pretty icy too. I would take massive heat for hyping doom and gloom of a potential ice storm. That's okay, the potential danger here is worth that headache. For my latest snow map, I made a few changes, mainly to the numbers rather than the contours. Orange contour stays exactly the same, but I tweaked snow numbers down. 612 becomes 48+. All models now show the true thumping of snow staying north of Sussex County. I'm still leaning toward a slightly colder forecast than others have suggested, so I included the plus to account for overperformance in this area. Blue contour also covers the same area, but I also pushed snow totals down. 3.6 becomes 2.4. I think this better communicates the snow potential being limited to far northern New Jersey, and will much more closely match the reality of the storm. Dark green contour, the mostly rain zone, nudges farther north, removing most of the I-295 corridor and SWNJ. Light green contour, the rain zone, now firmly encompasses approximately the southern half of the state. This area may see rain throughout the entire storm. But my gut tells me a quick coating of snow is possible right at onset. I've never included a half-inch in a snow forecast before, but it just feels right to include the possibility here. Saturday afternoon evening, a quick burst of snow arrives from the west. Probably just rain, south and coast. Exact arrival time will depend on the location and orientation of the storm's outer edge. If anything, models have been trending toward a later evening start time. Saturday night, as warmer air invades the atmosphere and temperatures rise, a transition from snow to wintry mixed to rain will take place. Again, North Jersey will stay snowy for a little while longer, while the southern half of the state, at least, will probably see rain for almost the entire storm. Early Sunday morning, the wintry mixed transition phase of the storm could bring an extended period of sleet and freezing rain to north-central NJ. Late Sunday morning, temperatures start to tumble on a brisk wind. Northwesterly, sustained 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusts to 50 miles per hour.